Hi, I'm Marilyn Romaldo, a 20-year-old student currently pursuing Bachelor of Science in Architecture at National University, Manila. Ever since I was a kid, I've been deeply passionate about art in all of its forms. From sketching and drawing to painting and designing, it's what drives me every day to continue pursuing my dreams in architecture. Now let's dive into why you should bring me onto your team. Here's what I bring to the table. Firstly, I'm hardworking. Balancing school and work have taught me the value of dedication and perseverance. Give me a task and I'll be tackling it head on, delivering quality results every under pressure. Secondly, I'm creative. Growing up in a modest environment taught me to be resourceful and innovative. I've learned to think outside the box and come up with fresh ideas to tackle any challenges that comes my way. And lastly, I'm willing. I understand that learning is a continuous journey, and I'm eager to soak up every bit of knowledge and experience that comes in my way. I'm not just looking for a job, I'm looking for an opportunity to grow and develop alongside a team of passionate individuals. Plus, I've thrived in an environment that's like a well-tuned orchestra, where every instrument plays its part to create beautiful harmony. While I can shine solo, I also love jamming with a talented team, bouncing ideas off each other like a game of verbal ping pong. Whether it's a solo act or a team effort, as long as the rhythm is right, I'm in my element. So why you should hire me? Because I believe in seizing every opportunity and making the most out of it. This internship isn't just a position for me. It's a chance to fulfill a dream that I've been nurturing for years. Thank you for considering my application, and I hope to bring my passion and dedication to your team. Thank you and God bless.